Hello everyone. This series of videos is to introduce the functions of GWINSTACK C-3200 LoRaWAN Tester and how it is installed and operated. The first video is about the basic instructions and appearance introduction of C-3200. C-3200 has a complete LoRaWAN test function, which is used for LoRa pre-certification. It can be used as a gateway to test the LoRaWAN protocol and RF parameter of the end node device, or it can be used as an end node to test the LoRa gateway. Next, I will introduce its appearance. On the left-hand side of the front panel is the power switch and the status indicator of C-3200. The STA indicator will flicker during startup, shutdown, and system program update, and it will be lighted under normal working conditions after the startup is complete. The LAN indicator will be lighted when the C-3200 is connected to the network. SYS will be lighted after booting, indicating that C-3200 is under working conditions. PWR green light indicates power on status, and orange light indicates power off status. A 5.7-inch LCD shows operation manual and test results. When C-3200 is in stand-alone operation, that is, when it is not controlled by PC software, the keys on the right panel or the mouse can be used for operation control. USB port can connect the mouse or a USB flash drive for data access. There are 3 RF output terminals on the right. When C-3200 is used as a LoRa gateway, the gateway port sends signals to test the LoRa protocol of the end node device. The LPT RF out port can output RF interference signals of 8-channel frequencies for LPT, listen before talk, testing. The interference signals can be LoRa, FSK, or continuous wave signals. RF port can be used for complete LoRa transmitting and receiving functions of the end node device, and it can also be used as an end node to test the LoRa gateway. Next, I will introduce the real panel of C-3200. When using C-3200 as a gateway, connect this gateway server LAN port to the network server to build and test the LoRa network. To control C-3200 operation with PC software, connect the system LAN port to the PC. The USB port on the real panel is used to connect to the I/O extension box C1201 or perform system program update. When the C-3200 is used as a gateway, if a GPS optional module is purchased and if a GPS antenna is connected to the end port, the C-3200 can display the location coordinates at this time, and the designer can use the received 1 PPS 1 pulse per second timing signal as a reference in LoRaWAN to synchronize the time between the gateway and all end node devices. If there is no GPS option or the GPS antenna is not connected, the internal clock of the C-3200 will be used. Trigger in and trigger out can be used to synchronize control with other devices. The input and output of the 10 MHz time-based signal can be used to synchronize with the frequency of other instruments in the measurement system to eliminate frequency errors. This is the AC power input socket. The input voltage range of C-3200 is from 100 volt to 240 volt. Thank you for watching the basic introduction of C-3200. Please continue to watch other videos.